Hi, I'm Massey from HSP 4x4 Accessories, and today I'm here to show you the HSP Roll R cover to suit the LDV T60 with the sailplane, as you can see fitted here. Now this is a specific design and it allows that sailplane to mold back onto the Roll R cover and seamlessly integrate with the vehicle. Now, this is a very special Roll R cover because it operates in three specific ways, which is A, your factory remote, so that's your factory remote operating it. B, your mobile phone through the HSP 4x4 app. And 3, there's an integrated touchpad onto the side rails, which allow you to open and close. So all three of those will be able to operate this unit. And this is also available through LDV or a Teco head office directly into your dealership. Now, when people talk about roll tops, there is three main reasons why they purchase it: security, versatility, and of course, keeping your items inside dry. So I'm going to run through all three of those with you and show you why this is the best roll top on the market today. Now let's talk about security, because that is one of the most important parts. The roll top actually links in with your factory remote, which means it's working off the car's central locking. That is quite a secure item on the vehicle already. And when you lock the car, you can automatically see that the touchpads built into the side rail become disengaged. And when you unlock the car, you can see that those touchpads actually become engaged. And you can use that to open, you can use that to pause, and you can use that to close as well. Secondary to this, we can use a double tap on the factory remote to open and close, and you can see that is the factory LDV remote. So I've mentioned a couple of times that this unit does work off your mobile phone, and I'll just show you how that works. You've got the HSP 4x4 app, and I'm simply going to press close and it'll close it. So that's the close, and you can see that the unit is closing. You can also do a lot of other things within the app, like set the intensity of the LED light, whether the central locking is connected to your remote, how long the buttons are activated, and even over-the-air Wi-Fi updates to the actual unit itself. So it is a very smart cover. Now, moving away from the electronic security of it is the physical security. The actual curtain has interlocking extrusions, which means you can't just simply cut through this. And the other part that's really, really cool is the fact that once it is in the closed position, it is very, very hard to open. So you can see I can put all my strength in there and that's not going to move. So it's very, very secure in that regard as well. So for security, we've got our digital security via the factory central locking, as well as the interlocking extrusions and the fact that it's almost impossible to push this open. Now let's talk about versatility, and the easiest thing to see with the roller cover on versatility is that you can drive with it open, closed, or in any position. So whether you've got larger cargo or smaller cargo, you know that you have that option to drive around and cart your goods from one place to another. Now the second bit that a lot of people don't notice is the small canister. It's actually one of the smallest canisters on the market, if not the smallest canister, and that gives you more space within your tub to cart around your goods or whatever you're planning on putting inside your tub. The third thing is the massive LED light built in, and that's going to give you the versatility to operate this unit during the day, but also during the night, and give you full luminosity into your tub. And I just want to show you what that looks like. So I'll use the factory remote again to open the unit. We'll open up the tailgate, and you can see that massive LED light shining straight through. Now at night, this is going to be super bright and it's going to illuminate everything inside your tub. That's also built into your canister again, so it's not going to be sticking out. It's actually really nice and flush and does a fantastic job at illuminating that tub. The other thing as well is, if you use the HSP 4x4 app, you can actually control how long that LED light stays on for, as well as the intensity of the light, from anywhere between 10% all the way up to 100%. Now, while I've got this unit open, it's a perfect time to show you just how good this is with water. What you'll probably not see is the drainage points on this, because they're hidden, but they are huge. In fact, they drain out at 60 litres per minute. So you've got two massive drainage points coming out of the canister, and then you've also got a gutter system on the side rails. So essentially the water is going to flow from the curtain to the gutters and then get redirected straight to the canister, which allows that water to escape without entering your tub. So for water, it is absolutely phenomenal. On top of that, we've got the interlocking extrusions, which do have the rubber between them, and a various amount of other items that allow this to be very, very good with water. So that is the HSP Roll R cover to suit the dual cab LDV T60 with sailplane. Soon there will be a mega tub version as well with all of the same bells and whistles. In terms of the product's origin, this is a 100% Australian made and Australian manufactured item. In fact, this is made in country Victoria by HSP. So by purchasing this item, you are not only helping keep jobs alive in Australia, but Australian manufacturing alive as well. So we do appreciate that. Now this product is available at every single LDV dealership in Australia, as well as a range of different distributors around the country through HSP, through LDV, or through our distributors, which you can find on our website. I'm Massey, and thank you for watching this video.